Now, what is the next type? The next type is bytes. Bytes is nothing but it is an array of byte elements. Okay, byte can have, so there is no byte type as such, but I am just telling you byte can have between 0 to 256 values. Okay, so what I can do is lm is equal to, it is an array of elements with 0 256. Okay, so sorry, 0 to 255. 0 to 255 only you can have. 0 to 255 and 12, 11. Okay, and then what I can say, lm is equal to bytes, and I'm just going to reassign. Okay, and if I print this lm, let's see, and also print the type. Okay, let's see. So here you have. So this is the representation of the bytes. Okay, and this is of type bytes class. Okay, now if you want to print the 0th element of the byte, so you can just put it in a square braces, and if I print this, so it's going to print the 0th element. So the indexing, please remember, indexing in Python as in C, Java and C++ is 0. Okay, it starts from this. The first element index is 0, the next element is 1, 2, 3. Okay, and I can also find the length of this array. Okay, if I say I want to know the length, I can just, oh, length is not available in bytes. Okay, so how you have to find the length? You have to say len. Okay, it's not like Java where you have the length property. So you have 4, the length is 4. You have to use len. Okay, now in the bytes array you can't actually modify these elements. Okay, in this bytes. So if I say byte 0 is equal to 255, okay, and if I execute, it will not let you. Okay, it is not supported, assignment is not supported. Another thing, if I make this 256, let us see, I comment this out. Does it allow the value of 256? It does not allow, right? It has exited with exit code 1. So it can have only values between 0 to 255. You can remember that. That is important to know. Okay, so byte is, so basically bytes is not modifiable. Okay, but bytes array, which is same as bytes, is modifiable. So let us create that. Okay, so lm1 is equal to, I'll again create another one, 6, 12, 250, sorry, 254. Okay, and then we have lm1 is equal to bytes array. Autofill has come. Okay, lm1. Okay, and then if I print this lm1, print type of lm1, type of lm1. Okay, so this should be bytes array. So you can see it is of type bytes array. Okay, and also I can set the value, that is lm1 of 0, okay, is equal to 254. Okay, and if I print print lm1 of 0, okay, it should show it as 254. Okay, now if I make this as 256, it should fail because byte value cannot hold this. It is failing. Okay, it can be only between a range of 0 to 256, means up to 255. That's it. Okay, so you can remember that. So we'll set it back. So basically, what's the difference between array and byte array? They're exactly same. It's just that you can modify the byte array, but you cannot modify the bytes. And you can also apply the similar kind of slicing operations on bytes or byte array. So how do you do that? So you can just, so you want to find the length of the byte array. So you specify len lm1. So let's print this. So you get 4. Why did you get 4? Because you have 0, 1, 2, 3. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. In fact, 4 elements. Okay. Now you want to get the, you want to do some kind of slicing. So print 1, okay, and you can say 1:2. So it's 1:3, let us say. So what it's going to return? 1 and 2, only the first two elements. Okay, you can print this out and see here. Okay, it's a byte array, just a sub elements of it.